Leo's here making a fruit salad. What are you cutting, Leo? Can you show us? Can you show us? Oh, it looks red and green. And it has little black seeds in it. Is it a watermelon? Yeah. Yum. Okay, what's next? What's next? What are you cutting? Mango. Throw it in the fruit salad.
No, come on.
Okay, what's next, Leo? What is that? Can you show our friends? It looks like cabbage. Ooh. Okay, throw it in. Okay, what fruit is next? Ooh, a green one. What's green? Watch your hands. You gotta watch your hands when you're cutting. Oh, we sliced right through it. What is it? What is it?
Avocado.
Avocado. Can you cut it up? Ooh, nice cutting. All right, what's next? Okay, show our friends. What is it?
Avocado.
Ooh, okay, what fruit's next? What's that?
Apple.
Oh, a yellow apple. Must be a golden delicious.
Yeah. Kiwi.
Okay, wait, let's see the inside. Ooh, it's green on the inside and brown on the outside.
Grape.
Ooh, purple grapes.
I don't know what this is.
That is, cut it up and let's see. Oh no, it's got little red seeds. You know what has little red seeds?
No.
It's a pomegranate.
And we can eat those.
You can eat those?
Yeah.
You can eat those little red seeds.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So if you eat right here, and there's those two random trees. So,
One more. What do we got? What do we got?
oh, I don't know what this is.
Ooh, a persimmon. An orange persimmon. You should try one of those. Have you ever had one?
No.
Okay, what's next? A pear.
You got to try it.
Oh, show them what it looks like. Yum. Okay, what's last? Oh, what's that?
I don't know.
I don't know. Who knows what this fruit is? Can you show it to them once you cut it? Does anybody know what that is? A melon, maybe? What does it smell like?
Well,
Melon. Melon. Okay, throw it in the bowl. Okay, the last one. Another mystery fruit. What color is it? Got little yellow seeds. Green on the outside.
can we eat those seeds?
I don't know. I think so. Who knows what this fruit is?
Do you know what it is?
I don't.
They do it.
Okay, should we mix up the fruit salad?
Yeah. Good.
Yummy!
Then we're going to put some, let's put some vegetable types in it.
Okay, stay tuned for the vegetable show next.